Here's how to check your LandBank username or user ID. First, check the welcome or registration confirmation email you received when you enrolled in iAccess. Search your inbox for terms like LandBank or registration, and check your spam and archived folders too, since this usually has your user ID directly. If you cannot find that email, go to the official LandBank iAccess login page and click Forgot User ID. Always confirm you are on the legitimate site by checking the web address and the secure connection icon in your browser. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity using the information you provided during enrollment. You will then receive instructions to retrieve your user ID sent to your registered contact details. You can also check a password manager or your browser's saved logins, since many people store banking usernames there without realizing it. If none of these work, contact LandBank customer care through official channels listed on the bank's website, or visit your servicing branch with a valid government-issued photo ID for identity verification. Remember, never share your user ID or password with anyone, and LandBank will never request these details by email or unsolicited message. Once you recover your user ID, save it securely in a password manager and always log out after using online banking. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.